wanted to talk to you today about a story that's recently come into the news about businesses, GDPR and the NHS test and trace system. We all know our rights as consumers, our duties as employees and of course as business owners. Collecting contact details and maintaining records for the NHS test and trace system is a legal requirement, and failure to comply with that is punishable by a fine ranging from £1,000 for the first offence up to £4,000. Now, we all know the reason for the NHS test and trace system. It's hoped that by using this system we can prevent localised outbreaks. However, we are hearing worrying stories about how our personal data is being used. The Information Commissioner's Office has made it quite clear that you cannot use this personal data that you collect for anything other than the NHS test and trace system. However, unbelievably, some are using this for personal gain. Now, the stories that we're hearing ranging from barbers using these telephone numbers to provide marketing material, which is something that was stamped out with the GDPR overhaul. We're also hearing stories of people being contacted after having a night out by bar staff asking whether they would like to go out for a drink. Now, the result of this is that, rather worryingly, people have now decided to start giving false details, which of course renders the NHS test and trace system void. Now, whichever method is used by the venue that you visit, whether that's pen and paper or whether it's an in-house scanning system, somebody has access to that personal information. The most secure way is to insist on using a QR code. This is a system that has been provided by the NHS and is the most secure way to check into a venue. If you are one of those unfortunate people that have been receiving unsolicited messages, we encourage you to report it to the Information Commissioner's Office. Now, how equipped are small businesses to deal with the complexities of data protection? As a business owner, you are of course required to collect this information of anybody that visits your venue. You're also required to collect the information of the staff working and the shift times and also their contact details. And these records must be kept for up to 21 days and they must be provided to the NHS track and trace where necessary. You are of course, as mentioned previously, required to offer an NHS QR code to enable people to check in. And most importantly, you must adhere to the general data protection regulations. Only last month a tour bus worker was sacked after using details provided by a female passenger on her test and trace form to make contact with her about a personal issue. Now, breaching data protection in this way would most likely be gross misconduct, which would more than likely result in summary dismissal. Fines for data breaches are obviously massive. 4% of global turnover capped at £17 million, so businesses should take this very seriously. If you have been affected by anything that I've spoken about today, please do not hesitate to contact a member of staff at Tiger Law or Tiger HR who would be pleased to assist you.